thank you very much. I hope you're gonna be watching this video. So you said this is under Amazing Journey 108, and this is part of Project One. So the Project One that we're going to have is actually the weight loss. So we know that we are. The basic thing is we have to tell you first. I have to tell you first that we are not this body. Uh, we are actually spiritual beings just in a human journey right now. But this is God given, this is a gift from God to be in a human form of life. So we have to take good care of it in order to serve the Supreme Lord, to serve God and His children. So we become more of service rather than to be a liability. So my body is actually already 48 years old, and it seems that because I'm having some kind of like hormonal imbalance and other things, um, menopausing. So I have here now some things that I will be doing in order to actually not to gain weight anymore, and the objective is actually to decrease some of this unnecessary gains, weight gains. We like gains, except the weight, except gains in weight, unless you are into a fattening program, but I'm not. So usually my body was actually 108 pounds, but now it's already 121 pounds, and actually it went up few months ago, and been having some things to actually lessen the weight and to not to increase anymore. So there are many actually causes of weight, gaining weight, but just for me, as I've said, it is more of the menopausal stage. And other than that, of course, because I'm practicing vegan, I mean not practicing. I'm having this. My diet is actually healthy, but still I'm gaining some weight because of the hormonal imbalance. So what are we going to do now that will actually help to maintain our weight, or to loosen our weight, our ideal weight, or to loosen our to lose some of the gains that we've got? We're going to have 3 drinks. These are actually the drinks that was advised to me by my Ayurvedic doctor. The one of them is what we call this aloe vera drink. It's just a combination. The ingredients are aloe vera and the coconut water. So here, coconut water. And this aloe vera, I'm very thankful to that doctor because he also gave us aloe vera plants, just to make sure that I will still do what he advised me to do. Okay, so I've got this water, and I put the water of the coconut water in the pitcher already, so it's kind of easy for me to transfer later. So here we can have glass. So I've got already some of the aloe vera. I'll just move here so you will see. So the first thing is actually in getting the aloe vera is you have to cut this spiky thing. Okay, the sides, kind of easy. Okay, so other side. Okay, there. And so it's easy for us to open, right? So here, I wash my hands, by the way, so don't worry. So we have to get the skin first. way. If you think that there's an easy way to get the first layer of aloe vera, you can comment, you can write it down in the comment section. Okay, this is what we have now. There you go. Okay, so we have to I wash it so we don't have to worry. So for me, I have it first into, kind of like tiny pieces. Because I know for some, we don't like a slimy thing, yeah? But we are just doing this because it's good for our body. So this, even though we don't like it, it could be part of one of our austerities, just to make our body healthy. Okay, so there you are. So there are many benefits of aloe vera, and the losing of weight is just one of them. Okay, there you are. And then, so we got here already some the aloe vera gel. It's aloe vera gel. Yeah, you can also put this in your hair. So don't throw this away. You can have it on your hair. There you go. I don't mind having some of the little skin still there, but it's okay for me. It doesn't bother me. Okay, there you go. So this is now the aloe vera, and all we need to do is just add the coconut water. So this is the coconut water. We have our coconut water, the bukuman, we call him as the bukuman, would come here every Tuesday. So he kind of like just a little bit open the coconut. So, but we have to keep this coconut in the in the fridge. So this kind of like cold, but we don't want to drink this cold. Okay, so there you are. So you can see the aloe vera are floating, the aloe vera gel. There you go. So that's your drink. Okay, the other one, this is actually during the day, especially when it is kind of like hot, hot day. This is during the day. You can drink that. Okay, in the morning, so after having your kind of like 800 ml, or you can, for those who can do the 4 glasses or 4 cups of warm water. So after drinking that 4 cups, for me it's just 4 cups, 4 cups of warm water. I also drink. After that, I would drink Jira water. So it's a cumin water that has actually been. It's just a combination of cumin seeds, and a glass of water. And actually, you should have soak it overnight. Okay, so here, just a tablespoon of it. This is kind of like 300 ml for those who are kind of like experimental and then they want to have the exact. So just a glass of water for a tablespoon, just your tablespoon, and then mix. And this is already your Jera water or your cumin seed water. And you can drink this, as we've said, in the morning. But if you want it to be warm, all you have to do is warm it. So it will be your cumin seed tea. I like it that way. And then there could be some seeds that you can bite. you can bite. Okay, so the aloe vera and now the cumin seed, water. We are going to have now what we call this chia seeds drink. So we have also the ingredients are just water and then the chia seeds. And I have here an orange just to make it tastier. But if you have a lemon, it's good also. Lemon is also helpful uh, in the digestion, right? So, and this chia seeds is actually better if you're going to soak this before drinking. You can soak this for 30 minutes. Okay, so we have this a glass of water and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. So this one. So just have them there. And after 30 minutes, just before drinking, that's the time that you can actually add your, what do we call this? Pongkang. Pongkan. It's like orange here. Pongkan. It's not really orange, it's pongkan, yeah? Okay, so thank you very much. And I hope you're gonna subscribe our YouTube channel, Amazing Journey 108. See you again.